All right, y'all. Big shout out to American Modified for sending me this grill, brand new grill for me to test out on my Chevrolet truck. You can find these guys at AmericanModified.com. They have all kind of grills and aftermarket parts you can put onto your trucks and your cars. They sent me this. They were kind enough to send me this, and I obliged. I said, okay. Thank you very much. They see my YouTube channel and said, hey, we'll send you a grill. I didn't believe it was real. I thought it was fake. I thought somebody was pranking me. I thought that somebody was trying to get me out of my personal information, and it turned out to be real. What do you know? American Modified, here we go. Man, it's a super windy day today, but you guys can see what I have here already. This is what they sent me. As you can see, we got the hazard yellow lights addition added to that. Oh, that's not good. Yeah, it's just a windy old day out here in Texas. You never know what you're gonna get. Some days it's hot as hell, then you might get a random day where it's windy like Kansas. Anyway, this grill is similar to the one that's on here. This one has the shine, the original OEM. So we got 1, 2, 3 bars there. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus a solid that's matte. Doesn't have the Z71 in it at the bottom, so I'll be missing that. Only thing I would gain from this is to light up some hazard orange, okay? And it looks like this Chevy logo will pop in there. Kind of remind me of the custom Trail Boss look. But let me go ahead and get the tools to pop this off right quick. Let's see how long it takes. We'll talk about some of the parts that have to come out to uninstall this. And I'll just, oh my God. It's a windy day, man. Jeez. Not good. Anyway. 2, 3, 4. And then maybe some clamps.
A few moments later.
So I don't know, guys. I already used the 10 mil to pop these off the top. I went and watched a couple of YouTube videos on the grill removal. One guy ended up removing this whole panel. I'm not sure if I'm interested in doing all of that. I'm gonna go ahead and take a look and see if it's just little rivets in place. Let me see. Nope, it's nothing. This may be a little bit more work than what I am willing to put into it, because honestly, the grill that I have in here, I prefer. I'm not quite sure if I'm 100% satisfied with replacing what I have here. I'm gonna lose the shiny black bar there, which honestly, I definitely appreciate them sending me this, but not only that, I'm not even sure if this will fit. It's really hard to tell. I mean, I'm gonna lose this bar here. I don't see where this is 100% compatible with my model. They said it does, it's a fit, but it doesn't look like it, because actually it's not. This one whole piece right here, this is missing that wrap right there. So this wouldn't work for me. Let's take a look at this bar. So if you look at this bar right here, that doesn't exist here, right? So if we would go to the trouble to removing this entire thing, what happens to my bar? It won't work. Is this whole part right here would have a gap, which I still have some stuff in the box. So hold on a second, and here we go, folks. So how does this piece go onto there, right? It's matte black, and that's what it's gonna look like. So it'll be something like that, which, like I said, it still doesn't beat the OEM, in my opinion. But this might work out for somebody. I'm sure somebody would love it. It just doesn't work well to replace what I have already. It just wouldn't pair well, especially with the shiny black, gloss black bumper. So anyway, shout out to American Modified. I still appreciate you guys sending me the grill. I'm very sorry I won't be able to install it. It's just not gonna match up with my truck well. And I'm still gonna go ahead and post up the video. I'll still do it as a free giveaway to figure out some way to give it away to my subscribers. So I'm gonna come pick it up locally, or if they won't pay for the shipping. And I'll still patronize the business. I'll find something and order it myself. Pay my own money, get it shipped out, and do another video. That's just to show my appreciation. So, with that being said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish locking this thing up. That's it, and I'll catch y'all next time.